looking for Erica McCarthy?
Are you fucking with this?
I'm looking for Erica McCarthy. I was asked to get this to her. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You've been served. You've been served.
You're a liar. What are you talking about?
Are you playing a joke on me?
What is it?
Are you fucking with me right now?
What is? It's fucking called Rachel Gotcha. It's fucking called Rachel Gotcha. Rachel, you were so wrong with
Did you videotape that?
Oh, why didn't you tell? Oh. I don't even. This is not even. I was so worried. I mean, I wasn't worried about that. I was worried that it was something else, but it's how do you do your trip? What? So read it to us. I'm just doing it to fuck with you.
Where are you going? Read it out loud.
Wait, what is happening? That was my friend Amy. I went to her house.
Erica, read
Oh
it
my god,
out
I'm so glad I
loud.
wasn't mean to her. Division of mandatory appearances in. I'm hot. Undisclosed proceedings. It was me versus City of Detroit. That's what was worrying me. Ordered that Erica McCarthy appear at the time and place stated below. Failure to comply may result in immediate forfeiture of rights. This all sounds very formal. Did you know this was happening? Did you? Were you worried I was in trouble?
No, I thought it was going to be trouble.
30. Oh, wait. Oh, this is our trip. I don't know. Oh, okay. A lot was going on in my head. Periods of separation may occur. You are expected to remain compliant and adaptable.
Yeah.
I was already sweating.
I didn't want to do my hand.
Rachel, gotcha. The elevation changes. Mental preparation, strongly advised. Heights. Man. Protective outerwear. Where are we going? Packing light is not suggested. It is required. Housing assignments. Adaptability will be necessary. Are we staying with strangers? Food accessibility may be limited.
What are those places?
Movement between locations may involve public or unconventional transit systems. Method may challenge comfort levels. Am I riding a horse? Occasional exposure to heights. Rachel, what is happening? Avoidance is not an option. Courage is expected. Moderate temperatures, 43 to 75 degrees. This is not a request. This is a directive. All questions will be answered in due time. Until then, you are expected to prepare without full knowledge. Failure to embrace this assignment fully may result into missed opportunities of a lifetime. You're so creative.
Oh, that was
If I would have got it, I don't know when I would have figured it out. Didn't see Rachel got it.